National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Rockingham County, Caswell County, the city of Danville, southeastern Pittsylvania County, southwestern Halifax County, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pelham to Quick near Camp Springs, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville, Reedsville, Yanceyville, Bethel,